channel. So today I'm going to continue with this duct designing with single line drawing. So today I have to design for the meeting room. So let us continue with this tutorial. So please keep watching my tutorials and please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let us start now. So let me start the duct designing. Okay, so just draw the polyline from the machine and connect the diffuser with this duct. Okay, and similarly for this one, so for this one I want to draw with the branches. So or this is nearby, so let me, okay, so let me draw with the branch. So let's start from here, connect this one. Okay, and here will be the end cap. So like this, tr double enter, trim the extra line, and here I want to use fillet command to make this two line in fillet. Okay, here will be the shoe neck. Okay, so the airflow for this machine is 944, so the duct size will be same. So let us copy this one here. Okay, it will be here. Okay, and then let me convert this to this one, this leader line to the current layer. So I want to use leader line here. Okay, like this. So this branch will be, the size of this branch will be 350 by 350. Let us move down. Okay, and here it will be same. So let me use the another leader line here, like this. Okay, let us copy this text, place it here. Okay, and then for this one, let's use another leader line here. Okay, and then the size of this branch will be similar to this one, 400 by 300. Okay, so I'm going to copy this just to save the time because the size is already I shown how to design the size, how to design the duct with duct size tools. So no need to design again, just copy and paste just to save the time. Okay, so this is over. This is how we are, how it looks like the routing. So I hope you guys learn the concept. So please be with me and keep watching my full tutorials. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribing and please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. In the next tutorials, I have to continue with these two offices. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.